Lastly, on the products that you need to avoid when you're dropshipping, we have copyright infringing products. Remember to avoid products that violate the copyright and intellectual property laws. Selling knockoffs and counterfeit products can land you in serious legal trouble. So just imagine if you decided to dropship fake Jordan sneakers from China or Taiwan to the USA, and then you end up getting caught for selling counterfeit products. Can you imagine how much legal trouble you will have gotten yourself into? So I encourage you to avoid products that can get you into such legal trouble, and then look for other products that are free from copyright and intellectual property law violations. And this can be done by doing product research. And if you don't know how to do your product research, you can go back to my previous video on how to find a winning product. Watch the video until the end, then you'll be able